Dear students, today we will study about Roman numerals. Roman numerals originated in ancient Rome. The symbol for 1 in the Roman numeral system probably represented a single tally mark which people would notch into wood or dirt to keep track of items or events they were counting. It would also be easy to write on a wax tablet. For converting Arabic numbers to Roman numerals, we write Roman numerals as combination of 7 letters, where I represent 1, V represent 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M is represented by 1000. For Roman numerals, we can write letters both capital as well as lowercase. Roman numerals are made up by adding or subtracting numbers like this. For writing 11, we have 10 plus 1. For 10, we use the symbol X and for 1, we use the symbol I. So 11 is written as Xi. Similarly, for 9, it can be written as 10 minus 1. Now 1 is represented by I and 10 is represented by X. So you can see that 9 is written as IX. I think this is clear to you that when we have to add the number, then we write the number to be added on the right side. But the number to be subtracted is to be written on the left side. For 40, it can be written as 50 minus 10. So, for 50, we use the symbol L and 10 is subtracted. So, X is written to the left of L. So, 40 is written as XL. If you want to say 1100 in Roman numerals, you would say M for 1000 and then put C after it for 100. That is 1100 equal to MC. And 900, 1000 minus 100. So it will become CM. Okay.